Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I will discuss about total budget required for Germany and its throughout procedure for from applying to till start of the semester. However, I already discussed each and everything in my previous videos, and if you want to watch these videos, you will find the link in the description, as well as videos are available on my channel. Moreover, if you want to join my WhatsApp group or Instagram or Facebook group, just go to the YouTube About tab. There you will find the link, and please subscribe to my channel. One more thing, if you are not able to understand what I'm saying, please refer to the subtitles. Now I think we should start our video. So in the first step, you just go to the website, embassy website. From there you will know the waiting time for visa appointment, like in Islamabad, Pakistan, round about 11 months are required for visa appointment, but in Karachi you will get it in just 2 months. I'm talking for the master program. So go to your country embassy website and check the required time. If it takes long time in your country, then apply for the appointment first. Apply for appointment is totally free, as well as no admission letter is required, but your passport number is necessary. I already made a video on it, so watch this video and apply your appointments as soon as possible. After that, you should clear the IELTS exam. It is not compulsory, but you should do it. Actually, it is near to compulsory. These days IELTS test fee is almost 200 euros. Right after this, you should attest your educational documents from higher education authorities and from MUFA. Like Ministry of Foreign Affairs, and 15 euro is enough for attestation. After all these things, now you're ready for apply. Check your courses on dat.de. If you do not have any idea how to check and how to apply different filters on dat.de, then just go to my channel. There you will find a video on this. On dat.de you will you will find mostly three ways of applying, like directly to the university through UniAssist, or in third way, first get a VPD from UniAssist and then apply to the university, like in TERM. In all these ways, you have to notarize your documents, and it required almost 2 euros. No handling fee is required when you apply directly to the university. However, in other two cases, you have to pay 75 euros. Almost all universities as well as UniAssist require documents in hard form. So you will pay around about 20 euro, I think, to DHL for courier your documents to your respective university or UniAssist, or it's up to you to use any other services. I already made a series of videos in which I explained each and everything, that how to make an account and how to upload documents, how to delete and send different documents to UniAssist, to a university. So after this process, you have to wait for 2 months for admission letter. One more important thing that keep in mind that apply in more than 2 to 3 universities if you want a admission letter, a granted admission letter from any university from any German university. Do not take risk with applying only in one university. After that, inshallah, you will get admission letter within 2 months. Now go to the embassy at least 4 weeks before the intended date of traveling. Intended date the date which you decided for traveling toward your destination. Now you need a block account in Germany. It is up to you that which service you use, like Fatiba and Charcoal and any other services. Usually through all of these you have to pay almost 10,435 euros, including all type of fee like transfer fee, like money transfer fee from any country to Germany, and account opening fee, and these type of fees are also included in 10,435 euros, and 10,200 and 236 euro is yours. Mean you use it, you use these euros when you will be in Germany. A strong bank statement is also required. These two documents, bank statement and block account confirmation, are required at the time of your interview in embassy. Traveling insurance is also required, but you will get it free as well. Sometime you have to pay for your traveling insurance, but some companies give it to you in free of cost. So to sum up, that much budget is required if you want to study in Germany, and wish you all the best. And if you have any query, feel free to ask, and I will try my level best to help you. And Allah Hafiz.